Normani thanks Nicki Minaj for standing up for Fifth Harmony during the VMAs. Nicki Minaj defended Normani and the Fifth Harmony girls at the award show, and now Normani is returning the favor. In case you missed it, comedian Tiffany Haddish made a jab at Fifth Harmony at the MTV VMAs earlier this week, and many were not impressed. Tiffany dissed the girl group by joking, quote, "Camila Cabello is nominated for 5 VMAs tonight. So for those of you watching at home, hi Fifth Harmony." The joke had Fifth Harmony fans fuming on Twitter, and the VMAs audience was completely shocked by the diss. But it was Nicki Minaj who called out Tiffany's comment during her acceptance speech for the Best Hip Hop Video. After accepting the award, Nicki defended Fifth Harmony by telling Tiffany, quote, "Don't be coming for Fifth Harmony because Normani is that bitch." Nicki later defended Normani again during her new Beats One radio show Queen Radio, telling listeners, saying, quote, "Last night at the VMAs I said Normani is that bitch because she is, and I won't allow anyone to disrespect a black woman in my face. I've had it with this shit." Clearly, Normani heard what Nicki had to say because she took to Twitter yesterday to thank the Chun-Li rapper for lifting her up, and she wrote, "I love you, Nicki Minaj. I love you, you perfect queen. Thank you for lifting me up. God is real. Now y'all know I love me some Nicki. Congratulations on tonight. Proud of you always." Jauregui also responded to Tiffany Haddish's Fifth Harmony joke, tweeting, quote, "Waiting for the day when supporting one successful dope woman does not mean insult other successful dope women. There is energy and space for us all to beautifully coexist and bless the world with our individual truths, stories, and talents." Couldn't have said it better. All right, guys, now I want to hear from you. Are you hoping that Normani and Nicki will find a way to collaborate now that they've expressed what big fans they are of each other? Let me know in the comment section down below. Make sure to click over here to watch some more. And then, of course, click that subscribe button. I'm your host at Vivian Fabiola V on Instagram, and I'll see you next time.